Hello again everybody, welcome back to another video for the Razor Company. I'm the Shaving Cyclist over on YouTube and Instagram. Let's get started. And today we're going with a vintage kind of a theme today. So we're going to do Master Soap Creations, Vintage Faberge. Master Soap Creations is out of South Africa and it's absolutely fantastic. The scent notes on there are, I just got it here on my phone right quick. Top is anise, lavender, basil, bergamot, and lemon. Middle is geranium, ylang ylang, and jasmine. And then the base notes of oak moss, vetiver, patchouli, tonka bean, vanilla, and sandalwood. So I like to just describe it as fresh. Fresh and clean is the way I would describe that, which is absolutely perfect for me. I just got out of the shower, so let's put that over there. And you can see we'll just load right out of the tub. And for today's brush, sticking with our vintage theme, is a Rex 75, or yeah, a B75, so vintage handle. It's redone, it's got a new bore knot in there, so yeah, let's get started. And we'll just load the brush up. I hope everybody's doing well. It's quite a bit cooler up here in northern Michigan where I live, so that's always exciting. A little bit cooler, or not, quite a bit cooler, and a bunch of that white stuff. So it's been a journey. So yeah. So this brush was redone by my friend, Mostly Vintage Head Shaver, over on Instagram and Facebook, and also a friend of the Razor Company. So see, we got a nice load going right there. Let's wet the face and we'll get started. We'll take some of that creamy goodness out of there. Now, one thing I will say about MSC is it starts off a little sudsy, and that's completely normal. Because once you start working the lather, or the brush, it turns out super, super thick. Drop some over there on the counter. So, there we go. I just love this scent. This is one of my favorites in the shave den. I mean, they're really all my favorites, right? But this is one where if you're just looking for something pretty neutral, you can't go wrong with Vintage Faberge. So let's clean off my hands here real quick. I like to clean the tub out while I'm doing it too. Just get some of that residual suds off there, and we'll just take a towel and dry off the tub. Put that over there. All right. Look how thick it is already. Now, you will be surprised how much soap this will hold in this little brush. And being a boar, you're going to want to soak it for about 10 or so minutes, 10 or 15, in warm water, not hot. All right, look at that. Nice thick lather, just like I told you. And there's still quite a bit in there, so let's wet the face down just a little bit more. Master Soap Creations, which you can get at the Razor Company. A tub for about approximately 6 ounces, or 170 grams, I think it is. Let's take a look here. Yeah, 170 grams, $14.99, which is a steal. This is a high-performing soap in my opinion. I just really enjoy it. Straight razor, DE, doesn't matter. It's got enough slickness there, enough cushion that it really makes for a nice shave. And just look at how that lather is. Man, I just love this stuff. We'll take some off the neck there and we'll put it back on the brush. Nice little load there, so. Clean off around the mustache. Okay, onto the hardware. So I picked this up in a antique store. It's a Schick adjustable single blade injector, and look how nicely that cleaned up. It really did, and all it really took was just some toothbrush, not the one I use obviously, but toothbrush and some just dish soap. Really nice, and it's got the selector right here. You hear that? Now I keep mine on a 7 because I'm used to the blade in an injector is a little stouter than your normal DE blade. So, and for today we're going to go with the Schick injector blades, and we'll just load this up. So let me turn. So what you do is you just take the guide here and put it right in. How's it go? Right inside, just like that. It's a little bit, so you have to spread out the these two plates, and then basically you just whoops, there's a misfire if I ever saw one. So you would think I would know what I was doing. You put the injector right there. I'm still getting used to using this. There we go. So, and then you just push right on in. And you are all set. So you just take the injector out, make sure that you got some good blade alignment right there, and you should be all set. So let's just warm up the razor. And again, we're just going on setting 7. Now, the blade is right here, so you need to go at a super shallow angle on that. So let's open up the blade. All right, here we go. I don't know if you can see that angle, but that's really shallow. Similar to a straight razor. Maybe you can see that. So what I like about this is, you know, everything vintage doesn't have to cost a lot of money. So for this this razor at the antique store, I found it for, well, I think it was $5. Yeah, $5. And it cleaned up really nicely. So if you have an opportunity, to try one of these out, I highly encourage that you do that. So yeah, that's a nice shave so far. So all right, let's get the face wet. Wipe the hands off again. So yeah, $5, I mean, is really super reasonable. Now on a blade, I will get approximately 3 shaves out of it. It just doesn't seem to hold an edge, which is fine. Alright, sweat the blade down there a little bit. Normally I am shaving with straight razors, but you know, every once in a while it's fun to do a single edge or a double edge. Yeah, that's a heck of a shave right there, guys. And you'll notice right there, let me just slow down just a bit. Super, super shallow angle on this. And a light touch. Very light touch. Tell you what, that's a really, really nice shave. Could totally go to the office on that, but let's make it a 3-passer today. Even though I don't have anywhere to go, I've got some vacation time right now, so taking a week off, just gonna do some studying, do some reading. Studying for a certification course that I'm taking for work. And look how much soap is still in this little guy. Not every brush needs to be a huge, huge knot. There we go. All right. I'd say aside from that, little fumble I had putting the blade in. This has been a heck of a shave. Man, it is just so close, guys. You gotta give this a try. If you can find one. That's in good shape. Do yourself a favor. Honestly. You may notice I have a little bit of a cut right there. I was sharpening up a straight razor, or stropping it rather. It's just a little bit right there. And I went to put it away, my finger was in the wrong place. Thankfully, because the blade wasn't dull, it was a clean cut, but man, oh man, really disappointing. Okay, let's rinse off. Okay, and we're back. Did a little bit of a warm water, cold water rinse, and just kind of did that. We're gonna go with the matching aftershave splash, Vintage Faberge by Master Soap Creations. Aftershave splash is $14.99, if I remember correctly. Just put some out in the hand there. Work some into the mustache there. Over on top of the head. And guys, that is it. That is one heck of a shave. So thanks for joining me. Remember, you can get Master Soap Creations at the Razor Company and all other kinds of shaving gear that you need. So take care and so long.